Would you like to have your own crypto AI agent that helps you interact with exchanges? Watch this. And there you have it. Hello everyone, I'm Don Jaima from Treasurium AI Labs. Today we're continuing our series on 10 crypto AI agents in 10 business days. Last episode, you saw we were able to string up the HTX AI agent here in Telegram. So we're able to start using it to get insights and pull out data from the HTX exchange directly. Today, we're going to string up the Bybit AI agent. I'm going to take you through this step by step. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to get the AI agent. I have one here. What you want to do is we want to go to Treasurium, go to github.com/Treasurium, scroll down to 10 AI agents in 10 business days. And here you see the Bybit AI agent. Here you'll download it. There we go. We've downloaded it. Then we'll come back here. I'll just make a new one. Here, create workflow. And then what we want to do is we want to import file. Go to downloads. Here. Gonna zoom in. Then what we're gonna do is we want to go to our Telegram. Well, before that, you see here in the triggers, we have different triggers to set up. We want to save the name Bybit AI Agent. Then what we're going to do, save that here. And then what we're going to do is here in Telegram, you're going to go here. This is populated, but you need to create new agent. Here, we're going to put Bybit AI agent. Then we're going to come over here to Telegram. In Telegram, we need to, here we go. To get this access code, we need to come to our bot father. Okay. Here you hit slash, you're going to say create new AI agent. We're going to put Bybit AI agent. Okay. There we go. We just want to copy this over. Here we go. Copy this over here. Add underscore bot. Underscore. Okay. And there you have it. We're going to get our token here. Click that to copy. It's been copied to clipboard. We're going to paste this in here. Save. Once we save it, you see there's going to be a verification to make sure it's valid. There we go. Connection tested successfully. Close this out. Now we have the Bybit agent. We're going to come back over to here. Then we're going to choose the Bybit agent again here. And the next thing we need to do, we can't forget for the authentication, we need to replace this here. Now how to get this? We need to get this from the trigger. So we hit a test here and we need to go back to Telegram. Bring it here. We need to go to the actual bot itself and start, send a message, it'll go through, but it'll get stuck here. Here we can stop the workflow. Open this here and we can see now the chat ID. We want to copy and paste this chat ID. Come here to the user authentication. Paste this in here. And save it. There we go. Now we're ready to go. Let's get back to Telegram. What we're gonna do is we can also edit this. We want to put the Bybit picture. Before I already prepared this. Okay. Bybit AI agent. Okay. There we go. And now we can, let's get ready to test this out. So here we go. What is the price of ETH today? There we go. I'm going to connect to the agent. See the agent working in the background. And we have our reply. Today, the ETH price is over 4,000. It's back to 4,000. Okay. Here we go. So now let's see what else can we test out. For example, let's test out the K lines. What are the K lines for 15 minutes on Ripple? Okay, there. You see the workflow beginning to execute. They just pull the data. And here we go. So now you can use this agent to access any information on the Bybit AI, the Bybit Exchange, real-time order book information, history from K-line, price, 24-hour stats, 24-hour turnover, and any information that you want to pull from that exchange. You can do directly here from Telegram in your AI agent. So if you like this agent, we would like for you to put a like, drop a comment. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to working with you again in the future. And don't forget to join us on Saturday, September 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern New York time for the Flowgramming event live. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.